So welcome to LNP Renewable System Integrator. Today we are going to discuss Python Basics Part 5. If you have missed Part 1 to 4, please subscribe to our channel. In our channel we had created a playlist Python Basics Part 1 to 10 English, so that whatever thing that you have missed, you can check in that playlist also. Here we are going to give the introduction related to the loop. Okay, first let us try to understand what is while loop. Okay, so first let us if anything is getting enter into that while loop, first it will test the test condition. If the condition is true, it will try to execute the body which is present after the while condition. Okay, this will be keep on repeating, okay, unless and until the condition become false, then only the loop will terminate. If the condition is true, it will keep on repeating it. This is how a basic Python while loop will works. Okay, let's try to execute this program. Now let's try to write a program of printing from 1 to 5. Okay, now let's try to run. So what is happening? First, the initial value is 1, so it will print. Now again it will increment the value for 2 plus 1, so it will be 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Again it will check the condition, so it will again print 2. Again it will increment that value to 2 to 3. Then again it will print. Again it will check the condition. Okay, now 3 plus 1, it will be 4. It will check the condition, it will print that value. Again it will increment that value from 4 to 5. It will check the condition. Okay, it is equal to 5, so again it will print that value also. Now when we increment from 5 to 6, the condition is getting false, the loop terminates. Now let us try to execute designing integers from 10 to 1. Okay, let us try to write a program for it. So this is a simple program. Let us try to execute in the PyCharm. See here, so it is mentioning or enter value 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So first it will print the 10 value, then it will decrement to 9. Again it will check the condition, it will check the print that value as a 9. Then again it will decrement that value to 9 minus 1, it will be 8. It will check the condition, it will print that value 8. Again it will decrement it like this up to 1. This entire loop will happens. Okay, now let us try to have a programming challenge. So if we mention any positive integer, okay, it will try to sum up the values which is present previously. Say for example, if you are mentioning a value of positive integer as 5, so after 0, that is 5 4 3 2 1. So all these things will get added together and the final output will come. That is the output, our output will be, say for example, if you are giving a value as a 5, 5 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 1, like this. So the entire value will be 15. This is how this function will work. Let us try to check it out. Okay, so it is asking us to mention the value. Let us mention it as a 5. See here, the output is 15. Same if you want to mention it as a 6, the output is 21. If you want to really want to verify it, open a calculator, mention it as 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, so the 21. So it is displaying the initial value as well as the final summarized value of the positive integers. Next, if you're going for a for loop condition, okay, so the syntax of the for loop will be for value in sequence and the statement. So it will we will try to enter when it get enter into the test condition, it will try to check whether the condition is true or not. If condition is true, the statement which is immediately after the for, it will execute it. If the condition is false, the loop will terminate. Okay, let us try to execute this example. So let us try to have a list which has different languages. Let us try to access the items from that list using the loop function, especially the for loop function. See here, so whatever which is present inside the list, now we are displaying it separate outside using the for loop function. Same way for the executing the hello world operation also, we can execute using this for loop. So now let's try to change the string to hello world to success. Need to run the program. See here it's mentioning individually the individual letters of the success. Same way, let us try to find the total number of characters in a string. Okay, here we are going to use input print, and again we are using the print function. We are trying to display the entire value. Okay. Now let us try to enter a string. Let us try to mention the string as a sun. See here the total value will be 3. It is displaying sun also. Again let us try to sort it out with the other example, which is the power. See it's a 5-letter word. So total number of strings also we can calculate. Now let us try to have a programming challenge of FizzBuzz. In this one, okay, if it is a multiple of 3 and 5, it will print as a FizzBuzz. If it is divisible by, if the 15 is divisible by 3 and 5, in such occasion, instead of printing 15, it will print FizzBuzz. If it is divisible by 3, it will print as a fizz. Okay. If it is divisible only by 5 but not by 3, it will print as a buzz. Okay. Let us try to execute this program. See here, from 1 to 50, entire thing it has printed out. Okay. But see here, instead of 3, it is mentioned fizz, and 5, it is mentioned as a buzz. Okay. And 8, 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, so it is mentioned as a fizz. Okay. So whatever it is divisible by 3, it will be mentioned as a buzz, and whatever divisible by 5, it will be printed as a buzz. So this is how the entire output had happened. As you can see here, you can also try the same program at your home for yourself. Next, let's try to find out the factorial value. Let us try to give an input as 3, 4 and 5, so that we will get the output of factorial. So 3 into 2 into 1, it will be 6. Then 4 into 3 into 2, that is 12 into 2, 24. Same way 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Like that it will happen. So let us try to copy from the see here the factorial value, it is mentioned as factorial of 3, it is 3 into 2, it will be 6. Factorial of 4, it is mentioning as 24. Factorial of 5, it is mentioning as 120. The entire operation we are performing using the for loop. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want to know more and learn more, you can contact us. We have brought the contact details here. We are providing a PLC programming training for Siemens, Allen Brodin, Delta PLCs. And if you had a really get into the industry 4.0, especially into the industrial internet of things, then you can learn the Python programming. We can able to teach you the Python programming, especially for the control system industry. And if you're really interested to work in GCC countries, especially in building management system, building automation system, especially in Qatar, Oman, Saudi, Dubai, we can able to provide you the training along with the certification. So if the EB Power is not available there, you want to implement the solar DC lighting system, then you can contact us. We have provided the contact details here. So you might have agriculture farms there. If you want to implement the protect your crops, especially from the wild animals, instead of going to electrical fencing, you can use solar fencing. And even for solar on-grid, off-grid, hybrid applications, solar street lights and pop services, we can able to provide you design, installation, testing, consultancy and training supports. And if you're really interested to learn the access control basics, Python basics and electric vehicle basics, then you can contact us. We'll provide the contact details here. Thank you so much.